Geological map. Please read everyone.
A map of geological hazard is a map showing the areas that are vulnerable to earthquake threats, volcanic eruptions, landslides. It is a tool that scientists and local authorities use to anticipate any hazard that a geological event will bring. It also helps educate the public about the training for the geological threat. We can read the geological hazard map using the legend provided. This can help us understand what areas are prone to such disasters.
So, geological map is represent what different types of rocks. So, ano importante ang geological map? Importante siya kay tungkol na provide of information sa earth structures, process of environment or disposition and features both and below the earth surface.
So next, what is mitigation? Na ba may any idea everybody kung unsa na mitigation or makahatag ba mo example and sentence kung kana siya kay mitigation? Ang mitigation da everybody kay mo minimize or mo reduce sa mga harm and sa mga loss. For example, nagplano ka o nagprepared ka nga magbuhat o dako kay nga wall sa dagat. Dako kay nga wall kay para ang tidal wave kay dili mo pasutoy sa dili siya maka-cause sa mga harm sa mga tao. Next, mitigation of rainfall induced landslide. Again, nabatay any idea kung unsaon na to pag-reduce sa kalamidad nga landslide? For example, vegetation of management. Kailangan og tanom sa mga prone sa landslide. So ngayon kailangan og tanom. Unsa day gamit din ang tanom kay kung makatanom bata kay pampakuan na din sa landslide. Yes. Kay og mananom di ay ta everyone kay kanayang ugat kusog kay na mukupot sa yuta. Bawang yuta mulig-on nya maglisod na og bisag mag-uwan pa diha maglisod na kuan ang landslide. So helpful jud kaayo nga naatay tanom sa mga prone sa landslide kay para ang ubos ana nga bukid kanang kinaubsan sa bukid dili sila mawadag panimalay. Maong kita ang usa sa strategy nga atong ma-reduce anang kalamidad nga landslide kay mananom kay para nga mulesad ang atong kalamidad diri sa lugar.
Before a landslide, number 1, have an emergency preparedness plan in your place. Number 2, find out if you live in an area where rainfall induced landslide could happen. Number 3, listen to local news, weather reports for any potential rainfall include. Number 4, talk with your family and neighbors on what you would do and identify the safe place to gather. 5, become familiar with the land around where you live and work so that you will understand your risk in different situations. 5, have municipal emergency contact number on hand and have an emergency plan already.
designated evacuation center if you have been told to evacuate or you have a feeling that it's unsafe to remain in your house. 2. Stay away from the slide area. There may be danger of additional slides information. Stay away from the slide area. There may be danger of additional slides. 3. Listen to local radio or television stations for the latest emergencies information. 4. Report broken utility lines and damaged roadways and railways to appropriate authorities. 5. Check the building foundation and surrounding land for damage may help you assist the safety of the area. 6. Seek advice for a geotechnical expert for evaluating rainfall and landslide hazard to reduce landslide risk.
Next, mitigation of sinkholes. Na ba may idea kung saan ninyo paglikay sa mga kalamidad or just like sinkholes? For example, mo-avoid lang tag mga subsidence nga kanang makita kag mga laom ato lang nang ilikayan o sa mga areas nga susceptible sa mga sinkholes. Muna ang mga strategy or usa sa strategy para mo reduce jud nga dili ka ma harm anang kuan sinkhole.
Before a sinkhole, number 1, check for the cracks in the exterior and interior of your property, such as areas along joint, window, door, sloping or uneven floors, and muddy or cloggy water. Number 2, check for previously boarded items such as fence, poles, trees that are becoming exposed as the ground sea. 3, check for circular pattern of ground track around the sinking area. Number 4, check for the formation of small ponds as rainfall accumulates in new areas. 5, check for the slumping or falling trees or fence poles, sudden ground opening or ground settlement. 6, check for interrupted plumbing or electrical service due to damaged utility lines. During a sinkhole, don't get too close. Stay well back and watch out for the surface ground. If the hole is very large and a risk to others, call the authorities or emergency responders. Keep the children away. Place a piece of plywood or small holes to secure the area and by marking the hole for safety. Use bolts with caution tape or rope. Take photographs for documentation, but do not get too close to the edges. Don't allow unauthorized or inexperienced persons to investigate the
Sinkhole. Don't refill a sinkhole with trash because filling a sinkhole with waste materials may cause groundwater contamination. Prevent construction of building or other places structured near the sinkhole area. 3. Call the authorities so they may plan to mitigate the area of the sinkhole.